Bago mo baguhin ang results mo sa buhay mo, baguhin mo muna yung purpose mo. There are 4 most important things to develop in life. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng magandang buhay, number 1 is skill, or some people call it competence. Number 2 is behavior. Some people call it discipline, yung kilos mo. Number 3 is attitude. Some people call it character. And the 4th most important thing to develop in life is direction. Among the 4, direction is the most important thing. Why? Because direction determines all the other 3. Ibig sabihin, kung mayroon kang tamang direction sa buhay mo, palagi mong magagamit yung bawat skill or talino mo, bawat behavior or disiplina mo, at bawat attitude or character mo. Pero kung wala kang tamang direction sa buhay, kahit yung talino mo ay gagamitin mo lang sa panloloko. Now, what does direction mean? It's good idea, good understanding, a beautiful understanding about the life that God has given us. Ang sense of purpose, sense of meaning, dapat magkaroon tayo ng magandang understanding about the life that God has given us. Bago mo baguhin ang results mo sa buhay mo, baguhin mo muna yung purpose mo sa buhay. You have to have a beautiful purpose in your life.